Welcome to this lesson, The Power of Friendship. In today's video, we will explore why friendship is one of the most valuable gifts in life. Friendship is not just about fun and laughter. It is about trust, kindness, and support that carry us through both joyful and difficult times. A true friend can inspire us, encourage us, and remind us that we are never alone. In this lesson, you will listen to simple, clear explanations and meaningful examples that show how friendship shapes our happiness and growth. These videos are designed to help you learn step by step, improving your listening, building your vocabulary, and at the same time reflecting on the deeper meaning of friendship. These videos are dedicated to one of life's greatest treasures, friendship. Friendship is more than just having someone to laugh with. It is a powerful force that shapes who we are, gives us strength during challenges, and fills our days with joy and meaning. In every video, you will discover stories, reflections, and lessons that highlight why friendship is so important. We will talk about how true friends support us, how they inspire us to grow, and how they remind us that we are never alone. Friendship crosses cultures, languages, and distances, proving that kindness and loyalty are universal. Power of friendship. Friendship is one of the most beautiful treasures in life. It is not something you can buy, sell, or measure with money. Instead, it is built on trust, kindness, loyalty, and love between people who choose to stand by each other. Friends are the ones who share our joy, lift us when we fall, and remind us that life is better when it is lived together. In this video, we will explore the power of friendship. We will talk about how friends shape our happiness, strengthen us during difficult times, and help us grow into the best version of ourselves. We will also share stories, examples, and reflections that remind us why true friends are one of life's greatest gifts. Why friendship matters. Human beings are social by nature. We are not meant to live in isolation. From childhood to old age, friendships play a central role in shaping who we are. When we are children, friends are our playmates, our partners in adventure, and sometimes even our teachers. As we grow older, friendships evolve into bonds of emotional support, encouragement, and companionship. Friendship matters because it gives us a sense of belonging. It reminds us that we are not alone in the world. Whether it is laughing together at a silly joke, talking late into the night about dreams and fears, or standing side by side in moments of struggle, friendship nourishes the soul. Research even shows that people with strong social connections live longer, healthier lives. Friends help reduce stress, improve our mental health, and make us more resilient. Simply put, friends are good medicine for the heart. The joy of shared moments. Think about the happiest moments in your life. Maybe it was a birthday celebration, a trip to a new place, or a simple afternoon of laughter. Chances are, those memories are linked to friends. Friendship gives meaning to ordinary days. Walking to school with a friend, sharing snacks, playing sports, or just sitting together in silence. These simple acts become precious when shared. What makes friendship powerful is not the grand gestures, but the small, consistent acts of connection. A true friend is someone you can be yourself with. You don't have to wear a mask or pretend to be perfect. They accept your quirks, flaws and imperfections and love you just the same. That acceptance brings a deep joy and peace, a joy that can't be compared with anything else. Friendship in difficult times. Friendship is not only about fun and laughter. Its true power is revealed in difficult times. When life becomes heavy, when we face failure, illness, loss, or disappointment, it is our friends who remind us to keep going. A good friend listens when the world is silent. They comfort us when words cannot heal. They may not solve our problems, but their presence alone is enough to give us strength. History and literature are filled with examples of great friendships. From David and Jonathan in the Bible to Sam and Frodo in The Lord of the Rings, friendship has always been a symbol of courage and loyalty. In real life, too, many people owe their survival and success to the unwavering support of friends who refused to give up on them. In times of darkness, friendship is like a lantern that lights the way. It does not remove the night, but it makes the path easier to walk. Friendship and personal growth. Another power of friendship is the way it helps us grow. Friends challenge us to improve, to learn, and to become more compassionate. They act as mirrors, showing us both our strengths and weaknesses. Think of the friend who encourages you to chase your dreams, the one who tells you honestly when you are wrong, or the one who inspires you to become kinder and braver. Those are the friends who change our lives for the better. Unlike family, which we are born into, friends are chosen. That choice makes the bond even more special. When someone chooses to walk with us, to invest their time, energy, and love, it is a gift we should never take for granted. Friendship teaches us responsibility, patience, and forgiveness. We learn that relationships need care, attention, and effort. A strong friendship is not built in a day. It is built through years of trust, honesty, and understanding. The universal language of friendship. Friendship is a universal language. It crosses borders, cultures, and even languages. You don't need to speak the same words to understand the smile of a friend, the comfort of their presence, or the kindness in their actions. In schools, workplaces, and communities around the world, friendships bring people together. They teach us tolerance and empathy. They remind us that despite our differences, we all share the same human need to connect and care. When two people from different backgrounds become friends, they create a bridge. That bridge doesn't just connect them. It also opens doors to understanding, peace, and unity. In a world often divided by conflict, friendship is a quiet but powerful force for harmony. The lifelong gift, true friendship, does not fade with time. Even if friends live far apart, even if they don't talk every day, the bond remains. A single conversation can bring back years of closeness. Lifelong friendships are rare treasures. They are built on countless shared experiences, secrets, and dreams. They are proof that love and loyalty can endure the challenges of time and distance. But even short friendships have value. Sometimes, a friend may only walk with us for a season of life, and yet their impact is unforgettable. The lessons they leave, the comfort they gave, or the laughter they shared can stay with us forever. Every friendship, whether brief or lifelong, is a gift worth cherishing. How to be a true friend. Friendship is not about taking, but about giving. The more love and kindness we invest in others, the more beautiful our friendships become. Sometimes being a true friend means simply showing up. You don't have to have all the answers. You don't have to fix everything. Just being there, being present, can mean the world. Friendship in the digital age today, technology has changed the way we connect. We can talk to friends across the world with just a click. Social media, video calls, and instant messaging have made it easier to stay connected. But while digital friendship is valuable, nothing can replace real human presence. A hug, a shared meal, or a walk together cannot be captured by a screen. That's why it's important to balance our online connections with face-to-face moments. Friendship in the digital age still requires the same things it always has: trust, effort, kindness, and time. Whether online or offline, the heart of friendship remains the same. Friendship and hope. Friendship gives us hope. It tells us that no matter how dark the night, we are not walking alone. It tells us that joy is multiplied when shared and sorrow is divided when carried together. When we look back at our lives, we may forget many, but we will never forget the friends who stood by us, the ones who laughed, cried, and dreamed with us. Friendship is the quiet force that makes life meaningful. It is the hand that pulls us up, the voice that says, "You can do it," and the heart that whispers, "I believe in you." Conclusion: celebrate the power of friendship. The power of friendship is not measured by how many friends we have, but by how deeply we connect with the ones we trust. A single true friend is more valuable than 1,000 acquaintances. Friendship is about quality, not quantity. It is about hearts that beat together in understanding, souls that walk side by side, and hands that hold each other through life's storms. So, treasure your friends. Be grateful for them. Tell them how much they mean to you. And most importantly, strive to be the kind of friend you wish to have. Because at the end of the day, friendship is not just about what we receive, it is about what we give. And that is the true power of friendship. Thank you so much for listening to today's lesson, The Power of Friendship. I truly appreciate the time you spent with me, and I hope this video gave you both inspiration and learning. Friendship is one of the most beautiful gifts in life, and by exploring it together, we remind ourselves how important kindness, loyalty, and support are for all of us. Your presence here means a lot. Every view, every moment you listen, encourages me to keep creating more lessons that can help you learn, grow, and stay motivated. My goal is not only to teach, but also to share ideas that touch the heart. So once again, thank you for being here. Keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep treasuring your friendships. See you in the next lesson. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me continue creating more lessons and inspiring content for learners like you. Every like, share, and subscription makes a big difference and encourages me to keep going. Once again, thank you for being part of this learning community. Treasure your friendships, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.